tossed and turned. I think so. Alright, this is Tricorner Shelter. Wow, I stink like so badly.
Wait for the 50.
Is that everything?
Yeah.
I don't want to imagine. Wait for the 50 with the
Alright. Up and at 'em this morning.
And also just put it in my water.
Oh gosh, I'm not,
Oh my God.
I'm not ready for this. I remember this with
I need to breathe.
Emmeline.
I need to
Take a breath. Take a breather before you get started. So I really don't want to have to put on my rain jacket.
Well, this one,
It's probably in the upper 50s, maybe 60 this morning. Slept pretty good on the Nemo tensor. Definitely a lot better than that Thermarest X lot. But slept warm. I actually woke up sweating. I had to kick my leg out. Using my 0 degree quilt. But yeah, I'm just ready for another day on trail. We'll show you all the way. So today we're headed to Davenport Gap Shelter. And I think including the side trail to Mount Cammerer, it's supposed to be about 15, maybe 16. I'm not really sure. Hoping for 15, but mentally prepared for 16. Anyway, we'll see what we can see today. This would be a good tent site though. See, this is where we took that right. This is where we took that right with Emmeline. No, yeah.
yeah.
You know, to go to Mount Sterling.
Yeah.
But we're going straight. Snake Den Ridge 3.7. Yeah.
This is nice. Your poles. And the room that I like is upstairs that has a balcony. She and her husband just moved down because everything looks the same.
Yeah, well, and everything's behind trees.
Everything's behind trees.
Which is the appeal to it for me, because I really like that.
So she rents it out to friends. It was kind of, for all the ingredients, it was kind of like,
Bland. Yeah.
it is a pretty forest.
It is.
I'm gonna have to take this jacket off though at some point.
Yeah.
One for $87, I would have.
Yeah.
I just didn't want to pay him good.
What I've got.
Yeah, y'all's pictures. That phone can take some pictures. Is that where's it coming out? It's not.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I bet usually there's something running and
Yeah.
there's just nothing.
Yeah, and even the spring at Tricorner was slow.
Yeah.
These girls have to.
Like stalks coming
I'm
out,
gonna take a
so.
picture because I have.
Oh, the plant light finders.
Recover and get your muscle back. It just. I'm not gonna do lunges anymore. I'm done with them.
This reminds me of Black Mountain Crest.
I can't wait to do that. I've never done it.
Yeah, it's tough.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
we'll find something that would be as far as training.
No.
But yeah, it's been a while since I guess I got in
Rain.
rain. That means it hasn't touched the net
Right.
or the ground because I have a net for Again, I'm gonna bring it.
Yeah.
I mean, it's so lightweight. Need some water, I think.
How gorgeous is this? Oh. Where?
Oh, look at this picture.
Oh, the little bark
The
piece.
bark with the green.
Oh, you can see the fog going over the ridge over there.
Oh, yeah. makes sense to me.
And maybe off the trail, like where you couldn't see it, you know? Cloud's just staying on top of that ridge over there.
Huh?
That cloud's just staying on that ridge over there. Taking a little break. I'm gonna eat while I'm walking. So I'm trying this as a new bar. Good to go. Yeah. Cinnamon pecan soft baked bar. So there's the ingredients. We'll see how it does. I mean, it sounds delicious. Product of Canada. And it looks delicious. Oh yeah. I approve. It's good. Very good. It's not bad weight either. It's like me about dropping my granola bar. 1.4 ounces. Anyway, I'll keep walking down.
Remember the tree?
Yeah, I remember that one.
I don't remember anything like
It's still early yet. We got plenty more miles to go.
How many? That leaves us 10 at least.
I guess I think it's only closer to 17.
And I think maybe 12.
Yeah.
17.
So like I say, I remember that being 17 when all of the three of us did it.
It's gotta be 17 then.
But then we didn't even go to the tower. You know?
I can't believe you didn't hear that loud noise last night.
I don't remember a loud
No,
noise.
it was somebody opening up the bear thing.
You know?
I have sensitive hearing. I mean, I really hear. Oh, that's an old carrot. I don't know what in the world I did. I think it was just both, or my sinuses.
Mm.
Oh wow! You can actually read it. Got it there. Newfound Gap trail.
Boy, that trail does not look used at all. Wow. Yeah, Gunter
So
Fort.
were we on Snake Den Road Ridge, or what?
That's some sort of growth or what?
Yeah, it's a growth. That's a fungus. Fungus among us.
That's just interesting looking.
Yeah.
Yeah. red berries are.
Oh, I think those girls are tenting anyway.
Yeah.
Unless they decide. A different terrain, but there is definitely a lot of it. Yeah. I don't want to do harsh chemicals in the dollar store. It's not the dollar store. I would not drink from that. Here's some.
So we're going to go down to Cosby Knob Shelter and have lunch. We're hoping we don't see a bear.
I know, but I think we should.
Yeah. And
In case.
this,
Just in case.
this shelter is closed because of the bear activity. So hopefully we won't see anything while we're eating lunch. This is a nice shelter though.
Yes, this is very nice.
I mean, they got a nice headspace on the bottom too. You got this nice little like area here.
Alright, I'm gonna take my pack off for a few minutes.
Breaking out the salty snacks. I've got more corn chips and turkey jerky. And I've got this NCT bar as well. So I don't know if I'll do both or not, but I just stand here and enjoy the view. Alright, so the water source is just right over there. I mean, it's a nice shelter, but it is buggy. Buggy. So, if you come here, don't forget your bug spray, because it's bad.
No bears, but a lot of bugs.
Yeah, well, we ain't out of here yet, so. Out of Bugville.
Go ahead, go. I was ready to go. Let's go.
So, this whole area down here by Cosby, I don't know if it's just the day or what, but it is buggy.
I'm worried about using that pretty that something's going to sting my butt.
Yeah.
No injuries. No falls.
Yeah.
This is where we're going.
Another big old mushroom. Looks like that one we saw up there at Down Rock. Oh, that breeze feels good. So I'm sweating. I'm feeling whooped. Back to back 15+ mile days. Whew. Don't recommend. Nope. Got a cool looking mushroom.
no sense hacking and cacking.
Yeah. I wonder how the girls are doing.
Huh?
Wonder how them other girls are doing.
I don't know. Yep. Put that paste on her, and then I just wrapped her up really good with gauze and stuff so they would.
It's a little wet. There's Mount Cammerer. By the way, if you want to see a good, what it looks like on a non-rainy day, just check out my other video. In the meantime, we got 5.2 miles. Hopefully it's not going to rain for the next 5.2 miles. Splish splash, I'm muddy in my shoes. That's bad poop. There's a lot of it on this side of the trail. I don't know that that's what it is, but I've seen several piles of it. I don't think there's going to be a view from the rock today. Oh, that wind's cold. That wind's cold. There's about in the rain. Whew. Cold breeze. Whew. It's wet. This is reminding me of Cumberland Gap, just not in the dark. Oh, man. Beautiful though, even in the rain. Man, I hope this rain lets up. I mean, this is a soaking rain. It's been raining non-stop probably for the past, like, 30 minutes. Oh.
The only thing is, I see it. But I can clean myself and get into the hopefully keep up. You take my clothes and stuff on. I'm more worried about cleaning it darker.
Well, we'll just get there and then see. It's still.
Nothing putting in it.
It's still raining. Yeah. There's a. I know.
I'm hoping there's not interesting there's a sweetness if it's gotten wet and not that wet. There's our animal. It's there.
He's just a creeping along.
You keep on going, buddy.
I wasn't down last time I came up this way. I mean, granted, that's been like a year ago, but still. It's a little tree. .9. 2.9, Sharon.
Huh?
2 point. So this Walmart jacket is basically worthless. I mean, it was soaked through probably within the first 5 minutes. Yeah. And I mean, right now the only thing it's doing is just kind of keeping my core from getting like cold, because the rest of me is cold and wet. Like my shirt and everything under the jacket is wet. So I don't recommend the Walmart rain jackets. So if anybody's got recommendations, I know Light Heart Gear was one. So if anybody has personal experience in like long rain showers, like backpacking and stuff, and you've stayed dry, please do tell what jacket are you wearing, or poncho. Just, yeah. Anyway. Beautiful trail though. I'm glad the sun's coming back out. At least the rain did stop. And Sharon's also wearing a Walmart slip, the Frog Tog. This ain't even the Frog Tog. I couldn't even find the Frog Tog. This is some other jacket that was sold in the hunting section. But Sharon has a Frog Tog, and hers wetted out as well. So we can't recommend either one. So we'll just try to make it to the shelter. Just make sure like all of our like extra clothes and bedding and everything stay dry in our packs. If not, we'll just be hiking out to the car. So anyway, we'll keep you updated. In the meanwhile, keep showing y'all the trail. I mean, like the leaves and stuff are wet, but it's not like what was up there. What's crazy is it don't even look like it's rained here. We just keep going straight.
I just want to take a picture.
Yeah, because that's where we came up, you know, with Emmeline and them. Our first trip together. Oh gosh.
You can't hardly chase it. You couldn't chase them all. That's his barn mates.
Y'all have a good one.
Enjoy.
I swear, if there's an uphill between here and the shelter, I may cry.
Yeah, actually, I'm not tired. My legs are feeling pretty good.
Well, I'm glad you're feeling good.
We both crashed at the same time.
Well, I think too, like, I knew, like, back-to-back 15-mile days, I was going to be hurting the second day.
Well, I mean, that was
Like, we are hoping we're less than a mile from the shelter because we just heard thunder. Dark clouds are over that ridge over there. We don't want to get wet again. So. Gathered up some stuff to make a fire, hopefully. Just in case it does rain, at least I'll have some dry wood to get a fire going with. I think somewhere down in there is the shelter. That's long. I see the shelter down there. I see it. There's the shelter.
back up, we go straight.
Yeah, we go that way. Alright, so we got stove open there. Shrimp jambalaya. I got hot chocolate with instant coffee. My sour jellies. And my caramels. That's probably the rolls I bought. Oh, right there. Drinking my hot chocolate with instant coffee. So the water source is down that hill. A good place to use the bathrooms up that way, and then the shelter. There's not a lot of room here for tents. So, and this is also one that don't have bare tables, so you have to like hang your food inside.
Leaving?
Now that's the key.
Yeah, is he leaving or staying?
He's leaving.
Oh, he's leaving. Okay. If he's leaving, I'm happy.
We lost sight of it.
Ah, okay.
It looked kind of small.
No,
though,
these
which
are
is
not weapons.
concerning.
This is to make me bigger than he is.
So we're up here in the loft of Davenport Gap. Just sitting here with my legs up, trying to do the whole waterfall pose thing. But it's been a great day. Just trying to dry out and hike out to the car tomorrow. So we'll see you in the morning.